Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of foods that are not only delicious but also low in carbs and sugars can be a game changer. Join us on a journey as we explore 8 outstanding foods that boast 0 carbs and 0 sugars, perfect for those seeking to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. From leafy greens bursting with vitamins to protein-packed delights, let's dive into a world of culinary possibilities that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. Get ready to elevate your mealtime experience with these exceptional ingredients that redefine healthy eating. Let's get started. First and foremost, leafy greens, nature's vibrant gems, are not only visually appealing but also pack a powerful nutritional punch. Among the top picks for foods with 0 carbs and 0 sugars, leafy greens stand tall for their abundance of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Let's have a closer look at some leafy green foods that are low in carbohydrates and sugar. Spinach. Spinach is incredibly low in carbohydrates and sugar, making it an excellent choice for low-carb diets. It's also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Kale is another nutrient-dense leafy green that is low in carbohydrates and sugar. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and iron. Swiss chard is a leafy green vegetable that is low in carbohydrates and sugar. It's a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as magnesium, potassium, and iron. Arugula is a peppery leafy green that is low in carbohydrates and sugar. It's high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and calcium. Romaine lettuce is low in carbohydrates and sugar and is a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and potassium. From refreshing salads to hearty stir-fries, leafy greens can effortlessly elevate any dish, adding both flavor and nutritional value. So next time you're looking to boost your meal with wholesome goodness, remember to reach for leafy greens, nature's nutritional treasure trove. Next on our list is broccoli, the green powerhouse that's as versatile as it is nutritious. Broccoli is renowned for its impressive nutritional profile, offering a plethora of health benefits. It's very low in carbohydrates. 1 cup of chopped broccoli contains only about 6 grams of carbohydrates, with 2.4 grams of fiber, resulting in a net carbohydrate content of approximately 3.6 grams per cup. It naturally contains very little sugar. 1 cup of chopped broccoli contains only about 2.5 grams of sugar. Broccoli is highly nutritious and is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, folate, and potassium. It also contains smaller amounts of calcium, iron, and other vitamins and minerals. It's also a good source of dietary fiber, which can help support digestion and promote a feeling of fullness. Broccoli has a low glycemic index, which means it has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This makes it a suitable choice for people looking to manage their blood sugar levels or follow a low-carb diet. From crispy roasted broccoli to hearty broccoli soup, the possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating this nutritious gem into your meals. Whether served as a side dish or the star of the show, broccoli adds a delightful crunch and vibrant flavor to any recipe. So next time you're in search of a nutritious and delicious addition to your plate, look no further than broccoli, nature's gift of health and flavor. Now enter cauliflower, the versatile cruciferous vegetable that's taking the culinary world by storm. It's very low in carbohydrates. 1 cup of chopped cauliflower contains only about 5 grams of carbohydrates, with 2 grams of fiber, resulting in a net carbohydrate content of approximately 3 grams per cup. Cauliflower naturally contains very little sugar. 1 cup of chopped cauliflower contains only about 2 grams of sugar. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, folate, and potassium. It also contains smaller amounts of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and other vitamins and minerals. Cauliflower is a good source of dietary fiber, which can help support digestion and promote a feeling of fullness. It also has a low glycemic index, which means it has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This makes it a suitable choice for people looking to manage their blood sugar levels or follow a low-carb diet. From cauliflower rice to cauliflower pizza crust, this humble vegetable lends itself to endless culinary possibilities. Whether you're seeking a low-carb alternative or simply looking to add more veggies to your diet, cauliflower is a nutritious and delicious choice. Embrace the versatility of cauliflower and let your imagination soar as you explore the endless ways to incorporate this nutrient-rich vegetable into your meals. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember to reach for cauliflower, the ultimate canvas for culinary creativity. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know zucchini is extremely low in carbohydrates? 1 cup of sliced zucchini contains only about 3 grams of carbohydrates, with 1 gram of fiber, resulting in a net carbohydrate content of approximately 2 grams per cup. Zucchini naturally contains very little sugar. 1 cup of sliced zucchini contains only about 2 grams of sugar. It's a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and folate. It also contains smaller amounts of other vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin K, magnesium, and manganese. It also has a high water content, which makes it hydrating and helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. Zucchini has a low glycemic index, meaning it has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This makes it a suitable choice for people looking to manage their blood sugar levels or follow a low-carb diet. From spiralized zoodles to zucchini boats, the culinary possibilities with this humble vegetable are endless. Whether you're craving a light and refreshing salad or a hearty pasta alternative, zucchini shines as a star ingredient. Embrace the bounty of summer and let zucchini elevate your meals with its fresh flavors and nutritional benefits. But wait, there is more. Let us introduce you to the next outstanding food with no carbs and no sugar: chicken breast, the lean protein powerhouse that's a staple in healthy kitchens worldwide. Chicken breast is high in protein and low in fat, making it a popular choice for those looking to increase their protein intake without consuming excess calories or carbohydrates. It contains negligible amounts of carbohydrates and sugar. It's essentially a carbohydrate-free and sugar-free food, which makes it suitable for low-carb diets and diabetic meal plans. Chicken breast is rich in various essential nutrients, including niacin, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, phosphorus, and selenium. It's also a good source of high-quality protein, which is necessary for muscle repair, growth, and overall health. It's also relatively low in calories compared to other cuts of meat, especially when the skin is removed. This makes it a popular choice for those looking to manage their weight or reduce calorie intake. From grilled to baked, chicken breast serves as a blank canvas for a myriad of flavors and cooking techniques. Whether you're craving a light and refreshing salad or a hearty protein-packed meal, chicken breast delivers on taste and nutrition. Embrace the versatility of chicken breast and let your culinary creativity soar as you explore new and exciting ways to incorporate this lean protein into your meals. So next time you're planning your menu, remember to include chicken breast, the ultimate protein source for a balanced and satisfying meal. Moreover, salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair, growth, and overall health. A 3-ounce serving of salmon typically contains around 22 to 25 grams of protein. It contains negligible amounts of carbohydrates and sugar. It's essentially a carbohydrate-free and sugar-free food, which makes it suitable for low-carb diets and diabetic meal plans. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These essential fatty acids play crucial roles in heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body. It's also a good source of several important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, vitamin B12, vitamin B6, niacin, selenium, and potassium. The omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon are associated with various heart health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease, lowering blood pressure, and improving cholesterol levels. Salmon can be prepared in numerous ways, including grilling, baking, broiling, pan-searing, or even raw in sushi or sashimi. It can be seasoned with herbs, spices, citrus, or marinades to enhance its flavor without adding carbohydrates or sugar. When choosing salmon, opting for sustainably sourced varieties can help support sustainable fishing practices and protect marine ecosystems. Did you know eggs are a highly nutritious food that contains no carbohydrates and no sugar? They are widely regarded as one of nature's most complete foods, offering a wealth of nutrients without containing any carbohydrates or sugar. Let's delve deeper into the multifaceted nutritional profile and benefits of eggs. They are a rich source of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that the body requires for various physiological functions. With approximately 6 to 7 grams of protein per large egg, they are an excellent choice for individuals looking to boost their protein intake. Eggs are completely devoid of carbohydrates, making them a perfect food option for those following low-carb or ketogenic diets. Their absence of carbs helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and can aid in weight management. Unlike many processed foods and sweetened beverages, eggs contain no sugar whatsoever. This absence of sugar makes them a preferable choice for individuals aiming to reduce sugar intake or manage conditions like diabetes. Eggs are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health and well-being. They are particularly rich in vitamin B12, which supports nerve function and red blood cell production, as well as vitamin D, crucial for bone health and immune function. They are one of the best dietary sources of choline, a nutrient important for brain health, liver function, and fetal development during pregnancy. Adequate choline intake is associated with improved cognitive function and memory. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that accumulate in the retina and help protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Consuming eggs regularly can contribute to maintaining optimal eye health. They are incredibly satiating, meaning they help keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. This satiety can aid in controlling appetite and reducing overall calorie intake, which may support weight loss or weight maintenance efforts. Eggs contain healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. The yolk, in particular, contains most of the fat-soluble vitamins and essential fatty acids found in eggs. Additionally, eggs are incredibly versatile in the kitchen and can be prepared in numerous ways to suit various tastes and preferences. From classic scrambled eggs and omelets to quiches, frittatas, and baked goods, eggs are a staple ingredient in countless recipes worldwide. And finally, last on our list is avocado. Avocados are not only delicious but also highly nutritious fruits that offer a range of health benefits. They are notably low in carbohydrates compared to many other fruits. While the carbohydrate content can vary slightly depending on the size and variety of the avocado, a medium-sized avocado typically contains around 12 to 15 grams of carbohydrates. However, a significant portion of these carbohydrates comes from dietary fiber. Avocados are an excellent source of dietary fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in digestive health, helps regulate bowel movements, and can contribute to feelings of fullness and satiety. A medium-sized avocado contains approximately 10 grams of fiber, making it a substantial source of this essential nutrient. They naturally contain very little sugar. In a medium-sized avocado, the sugar content is typically around 1 gram or less. This minimal sugar content makes avocados an excellent choice for individuals looking to minimize their sugar intake, whether for health or dietary reasons. Avocados are renowned for their high content of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These fats have been associated with various health benefits, including improved cholesterol levels, reduced inflammation, and a decreased risk of heart disease. The creamy texture of avocados comes from their healthy fat content, making them a satisfying addition to meals and snacks. What's more, avocados are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They are particularly rich in vitamins K, E, C, and B vitamins like folate and vitamin B6. Additionally, avocados contain minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and copper, which are vital for various physiological functions in the body. They also have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a gradual and steady increase in blood sugar levels compared to high glycemic foods. This makes avocados suitable for individuals managing blood sugar levels, including those with diabetes or those following a low-carb diet. Avocados are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be enjoyed in various ways, including sliced in salads, mashed as guacamole, blended into smoothies, spread on toast, or used as a creamy addition to sauces and dressings. Their mild flavor and creamy texture make them a popular ingredient in both savory and sweet dishes. As we conclude our exploration of these 8 incredible foods with no carbs and no sugar, let's reflect on the abundance of nutritious options available to support our health and well-being. By incorporating these foods into our diets, we empower ourselves to make conscious choices that nourish our bodies and minds. From the vibrant hues of leafy greens to the wholesome goodness of eggs and the omega-3 rich salmon, each of these foods offers a unique array of nutrients and flavors. They serve as a testament to the diversity and richness of nature's bounty, inviting us to savor every bite and embrace the joy of wholesome eating. As we embark on our journey toward optimal health, let us remember the power of whole, unprocessed foods in fueling our bodies, energizing our spirits, and nurturing our connections with the world around us. May these foods inspire us to cultivate a deeper appreciation for the nourishing gifts of nature and the profound impact they have on our lives. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.